Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is showing you what I eat in a day. Now I'm going to be doing two types of these because during the week when I've got work I eat the same thing every day from Monday to Friday, and then I eat something different on the weekends. So what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc., it'll all be different through the week and during the day. So this is going to be what I eat in a day every day of the week. So this is obviously Monday to Friday when I'm going to work. It's not much, but I just wanted to show you guys of what I eat in a day. I don't have breakfast in the morning, I just have a cup of tea. So this is what I eat in a day during the week. So I hope you guys enjoy. I work at 6 AM. So early in the morning, before I go to work, I have a small cup of tea in my Mrs. Hinch mug to wake me up, ready for work. For my first tea break, I have a ham and salad sandwich on one Skinny Whip bar, mint flavour, with a bottle of flavoured water, and to take my tablets, my vitamins. For my second tea break, I have a packet of Skips and another Skinny Whip bar, again mint, and my water. We only get 15 minutes at break, so not very long. It's different each day, so we don't get bored. Today I have my protein meal, Singapore noodles from Iceland with a light mayo on top. These my protein meals are so lovely. You can get different ones as well, so you don't get bored of different meals each day. To dinner I have my light and free yogurt, raspberry flavour. You can get these anywhere. They are so nice, comes in different flavours. You can get them through your supermarkets. Iceland's do them, and so does Asda. I tend to stop eating after 6 PM, so after my dinner and my yogurt I have my iced cold water in my tumbler till 5:30. At 5:30 I make a cup of tea, my last cup of tea just before bed. I always have that one cup of tea before bed. Then an hour before I go to bed, I like to read a book to have a bit of me time before bed, just to unwind, shut off from all my phone and any social medias. I like to be away and reading my book before bed. That is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Sorry if it's been boring, but yeah, I don't really eat much when I've got work because obviously I'm burning more than I am actually eating, and obviously I've got work as well. So yeah, so I've just showed you what I have for breakfast. Obviously it's just a cup of tea. I used to have toast in the morning, but where we're eating healthy I want to cut down on the bread. So yeah, and then we have 2 breaks at work, so hence why I have 2 lunches, or what I'll show you at break, and then what I have for dinner, and then after dinner, and then later on I just have a cup of tea, and that'll be it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video like this but for the weekend, so I can show you guys what I eat in a day on a weekend. So without further ado, I'm going to love you and leave you here as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.